Hello, good morning everyone, and this is Miriam, and good morning ho sa ating lahat. Ngayon ho is mag-update ho tayo ngayon. Ngayon is October 23 and holiday na mga school dahil daw kay Christine, yung ating bagyong Christine. Kahapon pa ho, gideclare na ng holiday dito sa amin. And then hanggang ngayon, and then sana na okay naman, wala man hindi man masyadong. Dito sa Tacorongha is kahapon lang yung maulan-ulan. And then ngayon is lumabas naman si haring araw, pero hindi medyo hindi pa yung kwan, parang normal lang, normal yan ha. So mag-update ho tayo sa ng ating paano, kasi matagal na ako nakapag-vlog. Yun, i-update ho natin is yung ating tindahan. Yun ho, i-open natin ito about sa aking DTI Bagwis. Yan ho, DTI ho ha. Last kailan kami ginapalagi kami pinupuntahan ho ng DTI dito, wala pang enrollment. So June, mga May April, basta yun ha. Every week may mga representative ho dito sa amin nagapunta, i-check yung ating price ng school supplies. So yun ha, so lahat kung ano yung available sa amin, yun i-check namin kung magkano ang presyo. And then yun ho ha, naka-receive ako last August 5, August 5, ito yung recognize ng DTI as tawag nito about yung aming pabenta, yung pabenta namin ng aming school supplies na hindi mataas. So yun meaning ha, so recognize nila, binigyan tayo ng ano ito siya, Bagwis Seal for Excellence, i-promote daw. So kung maka-join daw kami sa tawag yun, makabigyan ng karangalan, yun ho ha. So after nito, ano ito man, the Department of Trade regularize, hindi ko basta i-accept ko lang ito, then i-receive by Pinky Kai, ayan siya, August 5 ito siya. And then in this regard, our office has identified your business as potential Bagwis awardee. Yan ho ha, Bagwis awardee. And then ngayon ho, and then every week talaga sila gapunta, nag-check ng ating presyo sa notebook, sa ballpen, sa lapis, sa crayons, kung ano yung available na yung i-declare ng DTI sa kanila ha. So after ilang months, so naka-receive ako ng August 5 no, and then ngayon ho, October 14, ayan, yay! And then dati is awardee ito no. Ngayon ho is October 14, Pinky Kai General Merchandise, Lapu-Lapu, ayan siya, i-check nyo. Lapu-Lapu Street, oh mali pa, joke. Lapu-Lapu Street, Poblacion. Dear Sir, Madam, this letter is regard to your DTI Bagwis Award application. Kindly be advised that your enterprise has successfully obtained the Bronze Seal of Excellence. Yay! Malaking karangalan na yon sa Pinky Kai after 6 years so, na aking business. And then na-recognize ho tayo ng DTI. Thank you DTI. Yun ho, karangalan na ho yung sa awardee pa lang ho is karangalan na natin no, maka-receive tayo nito na sinabihan tayo na isa tayo sa mga awardee. And then ngayon ho, October 14 is nabigyan tayo ng Bronze Seal of Excellence. So ang sabi dito, in accordance in this line with the celebration of 2024 Consumers Welfare Month, we are pleased to invite your enterprise to our orientation daw, and followed by awarding of your certificate of recognition during the DTI 12 Bagwis awarding ceremony on October 30, 2024. So next week, so ngayon is 23, and then sa 30 next week, October, at the KCC Mall Event Center, Coronadal City. The orientation will take place from 10 a.m. to 12 noon. And then after nyan, and the Bagwis awarding ceremony will follow from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. We would greatly appreciate if you could attend the ceremony in person or send an authorized representative to receive the certificate on your behalf. Ay, thank you. Thank you DTI. Ito lang ho, kahit ito lang is na-consider yung Pinky Kai General Merchandise as Bagwis awardee, and then ngayon is maka-receive tayo ng DTI Bagwis Award bronze seal of excellence dahil tama-tama, hindi mataas masyado yung ating pabenta na mga school supplies. Yan ha, thank you so much, Lydia. Yan ho yung update natin, pinag-kwan ko lang sa inyo ha, ginashare ko lang yung aking mga update dito sa Spinky. Yan lang ho, thank you and goodbye. Yan lang ho muna yung aking ma-share. Thank you.